singing scales of elements, electrical and raw, deconstructing desire and skipping atoms to make a point. You'll need silence to hear the tone that belongs only to you. It's not just that you connect the dots, it's how you connect the dots. Here are our opinions bought secondhand. Overcoming fear is the only task. The spectacular ones ride horses and travel in formation. Minutes are lifetimes when worn correctly, lifeless when the rock cools, heart beating like prayer drums. Civil wars of pain loops. Panic industry performs the slow motion of shock. Drew the blueprints, can't find the bones. Millions gathered in the forest, unaware of the branches. They were wearing their shadows when language expired. Started with a cough, then broke out in numbers. My guards came down and took me by surprise, freeing themselves at last from their reflections of me. Building new shadows out of cobblestones and weeds, I visited the news dressed in capital letters. Was looking for a heart to mend, but only found the river. Sailed past midnight to Cinderella's after party. Watched the dawn shatter when I was leaving the palace.